Supernova. What is supernova? Supernova is the powerful explosion of a dying star. In every 100 years, there occurs one supernova in our galaxy. It's a luminous stellar explosion. The blast happens so quickly and won't last long, but still it is an enormous explosion. Due to the powerful explosion, all the particles in the star is spread all over the universe. Now let's check how such supernovas are formed, how stars die and become supernovas. Let's discuss it from the action of the stars itself. How these stars are able to generate this much of energy. The reason behind this is a star is a highly powerful nuclear reactor. Here, hydrogen fuses to form helium, and in that process, energy is generated. That means the hydrogen situated there becomes helium. So, what will happen if this continues for a long time? Naturally, the amount of hydrogen will decrease and helium will increase rapidly. Eventually, in the core, there will be no hydrogen left for fusion. Ultimately, helium begins to fuse each other. And when helium begins to fuse, heavy elements like iron are formed. Because of the formation of heavy metals, the core part of the star begins to shrink. But at the same time, the exterior part begins to expand. And with that expansion, the stars begins to swallow the planets that is very much near to them. In short, when we look at this star, it tends to grow rapidly and forms a big red star. And we call this star as the red giant. What if that star is our own star, the sun? If it is the sun, then it turns into a white dwarf. What follows next is that over time it disappears. At the same time, what happens if this process takes place in stars that is larger than sun? When helium in the core is completely finished, it paves way for a large explosion. Because of that explosion, the temperature rises continuously and reaches billion degrees Celsius. It is through this explosion elements such as gold, silver, etc. are formed in the universe. The next probable question is that what happens to supernova after an explosion? After the supernova explosion, the star does not disappear completely. Either it will become a neutron star or a black hole. If its mass is large, then it will become a black hole. If the mass is less, it becomes a neutron star. Both these bodies are having high density. The density of black hole is greater than neutron star. If any object gets entrapped in it, then it will never ever come out. They are buried in its singularity. The next interesting idea is singularity. What is the singularity, or what happens there? Science does not have the answer for it now, but the research is going on, and we hope that the studies of quantum gravity will soon give us an answer for this question. Now, let's come back to supernova explosion. As we said earlier, a lot of matter were spread across the world because of this explosion. It spreads over a large area. The remnants in that area thus turn into a cloud, and we call it nebula. Nebula is a distinct body of interstellar clouds that consist of cosmic dust and gas particles. After many years, due to gravity, these dust particles combines together and is transformed into another body. The first to form is the core part with great heat and high density. This is known as protostar. This protostar will later become a new star which is very heavy. And when such a heavy star is formed, the other elements in the nebula begins to orbit around it. The dust particles thus encircled over time becomes meteors and comets. From the same dust clouds, new planets are formed, and then it becomes a new solar system. A new star and new planets. Over time, this star too will become old and then it will explode, becomes a supernova, again a star, and it will go on and on forever. Now here comes the bright question for Bright Care Lights. How many times the supernova will repeat itself? What happens in the end, or does it have an end? Do share your answers in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel, Bright Care Light.